So hello friends, today we're going to talk about the Python. Okay, so in the earlier videos we have discussed the pattern in the Java, pattern in the Scala, and now we're going to see the pattern in the Python. Okay, so let's take a simple example. So you can find this file code underscore Python. Okay, so let me first so this is all the indentation errors. So here if you see, I have declared one text. Okay, so to split it we use the dot split command, and if I want to show you this one, let me comment it out everything. Okay, I think this command does not work. Let me put it some other file. Okay, now I have one file. So if I print this word, okay, you will going to see the, so it has split into the multiple strings. Okay, now we have another method, because if I want to convert it to a key and value map, so for that one we have this counter class. Okay, so what it will do is, so it will going to convert this into the key value pair, okay, into a map. And if I want to find the most frequent, so we have this most common method. Okay, so it will print out the, let's say if I want 3, okay, so we will have 1 2 3. Okay, now that we know how the counter works, let's take another example of finding the maximum. Okay, so for finding the maximum, what we usually do is, let's say we have this array, and in the frequency map, if I print this frequency map, this will show me the key value pair of each of the element. So for 3 we have 2 elements, for 2 we have 2, and for 4 we have 5. Okay, now if I want to find the maximum from this map, where the key would be map dot get. Okay, okay, so the maximum element we have is the, if I print this frequency map, now you will see that which key with which key. Okay, so based on that key, okay, based on that key it will going to print out the maximum based on that key. And if I want to do from value, okay, we will see that later. Okay, how we can find the maximum value based on value in Python. Okay, so I'll show you. So we have this we have done the counter. Okay, we have this most frequent 4, but find the element with the maximum frequency. Okay, which will be based on the values only. So it will be based on the value only. Key is equal to frequent map dot get will be the value only it will going to find, and based on key, let's say maximum key. Okay, so for that one, what we need to do is we just have to simply write print max frequency map dot I think it will be get, oh sorry, it will be keys, it will be keys. So let me comment out this one. Let's see if it runs or not. Okay, so it ran and it prints out the 4. Okay, based on the maximum key. So let's say based on the maximum key we find to find the value. So what we can do is we can do ARR and then bracket like this one. Okay, so maximum key would be 4 and ARR of 4, or we will do print map frequency dot get so it will print out the 5. Okay, so we have this key, make a map with keys, and it will be get. Okay, now the other thing would be we will talk about the reduce function. So let's take an example of the reduce function here. So in the reduce function, what we usually do is we have okay, so we have this initial value. Let's take an example of the some method. Okay, so let's say if I have this method. Okay, so here I am passing the method. This is my for loop kind of thing, so it will going to iterate from 0 to all the arrays 1 1 2 1 3 5 1. Okay, in the number, and this is my initial value for the accumulator. So accumulator 0 will going to have -1, accumulator 1 will going to have 0 value. Okay, so this is how it is. So it will going to have the candidate is -1, count is 0. If count is 0, then it will going to turn me the new value of the array, comma 1. Otherwise I will keep on incrementing it that value, else I will decrement it. Okay, I hope you like that video. Thank you.